Day 76, compound engineering in OpenCode. So compound engineering is this idea out of where every time you kind of work with AI in your system, in your repositories, in your project, you are also improving that system to build better, faster, stronger on the next iterations. Kieran Clausen, who is one of the general managers at released this compound engineering plugin. It previously was only for Claude Code, but I just saw that they released an OpenCode plugin, so I am going to install that later. Definitely visit the GitHub repo. But something simple that I have applied to my workflows, both coding and non-coding, since I do all of my work in the terminal, is just a command. So my flavor of compound engineering is a skill and a slash command that I run in OpenCode /compound. Basically, whenever I'm having a long iterative session, either iterating on a piece of code or iterating on documentation, PRDs, any sort of non-coding work within my OpenCode instance. And I've got two pieces here, which is just a small slice of the whole compound engineering paradigm, but I find to be really useful. One is the slash command. And so when I have a really long session, I'll invoke /compound, and this command will give me some suggestions of how I can improve my commands, my skills, my documentation, so that the next time I run and do something very similar, it requires less iteration. And I find this particularly helpful, again, for non-coding work. And this compound relies on a skill, which basically tells it how to create the compounding assets. And that's a really small slice. It's in my demo OpenCode JSON. So if you want to swipe it, I'll put the original compound engineering GitHub, which has the full suite of compound engineering assets, and then my own demo compound if you just want something super simple, because I'll literally just have a long session /compound and get some recommendations of how I can improve my workflow, feed it back in, and the next loop is much better. That's it for me today.